Hello everyone, it's January 17th. We've had about a week of heavy rains, like 6 inches in the last week. And we've got just a 50 degree, 40 degree miserable kind of day today. But what's coming is some weather that's going to be down in the 20s. So I have to do a little work here to keep these plants happy. As you can see, this is some really old cloth that's definitely seen better days. But the rain goes through it pretty easy, which is good. And it hasn't really been that cold, so it hasn't been an emergency as far as how much temperature we've got to compensate for, how much cold. So these little broken pieces have been doing a real good job for me. I'll say, wow, pretty cool. This is my first year actually having cauliflower actually make a few heads. So how about that? I'm going to feed the leaves to my earthworms. Make them really happy. I'm going to pick the cauliflower and we'll probably have it tonight. Let's see. I don't know if this one was getting cold or getting ready to start blooming or what, but boy oh boy, I'll take it. Wow. And as you can see right there, there's another one. Really cold weather coming. I'm not leaving them out here. There's another nice head. You know, it's a little bigger than my hand. I got small hands, but shoot, that's all right. And yes, I do believe there's another one over here. Very small one. So that's a couple of tubs and some old pieces. I'll take it. These other two beds down here, I think the lower one there has cauliflower, but I don't remember what's in this one. It might be lettuce, but as I say, I just don't remember. You can't really see through it. Oh, and it's romaine lettuce. Wow. Oh, it's cold enough out here to really be getting the sniffles and the drips. How about that for some lettuce? Wow. We're going to add some of this lettuce to our cauliflower basket here. This one looks like it's getting kind of tall, so What do you think? What a beautiful head of lettuce. Holy mackerel. Just outstanding. And the funny thing about when you grow your own, this stuff will keep. Wow. Alright. I think I'm going to go for that one over there also. Take two. This one here's getting pretty tall. Another beautiful head. How about that? Alright. Now we're going to cover this guy up again before this serious cold gets here, because I want to protect those other nice big heads. So, alright. Now we're going to move down here to this lower one and see what's in it. I think it's cauliflower, but I'm not sure. If you're wondering what this stuff is, this is the Agribond. And I get it off of Amazon. And it doesn't cost much different than the stuff you buy in the store. Except look how heavy duty this stuff is. The rain goes through it. But it's got to be awesome for it's holding some temperature. It's almost as good as plastic, I think. You know, I've been, as you can see, I'm real pleased with it. So let's see what's under here. Whoa. Yes, sir. Wow. Take this off so we can show you. Yeah, it's more cauliflower. There's one growing down in there. There's one growing. Boy, oh boy, this is exciting. I've never managed to actually grow cauliflower before. There's another nice head growing. Wow, wow, wow. How about that? Alright, we're going to cover these back up, do a little weeding. Cover these back up and try and get them hunkered down really good here before this cold gets here. Boy, these are my new beds that I did this year, 2 foot. And looks like they're growing plenty of stuff, doesn't it? And they're very easy to cover. So let me get these guys covered up, and you can see the cauliflower's coming right along. Got enough light here right now to be able to see some through this bed. This other set, this is a lighter fabric. Looks like a store-bought fabric. But what you see right here is arugula. What an incredible stand of arugula. Boy, love the taste of it. And then all this back here is all more cauliflower. And then right up in this corner there's like 3-4 plants of bok choy that we've been eating off of for weeks and weeks. So I'm going to want to put some protection on these guys before this cold hits too, because it has really been a good storehouse of stuff. See if I can sneak under here, grab a little more arugula to take inside. Yeah. Just whatever I grab will be great. Oh yeah. There's enough to mix into a salad. Give it a little snap. Arugula, if you haven't grown it, what you grow is not nearly as peppery and bitter as what you buy. This stuff is like delicious. So, arugula, stick it on your list. So I put in 3 half-inch PVC posts bent over, and then I've put in some more of that Agribond. I get the 10 foot by 30 foot, and then I can layer it back and forth, and I can actually put 3 layers there on that 8-foot bed, tucked in all the way around. So It's got quite a few layers to protect it. And then this one here has got some good layer protection. I've still got this one to do. It's a little big, so I'm still working on exactly how to do it. But I'm going to protect all those vegetables in there. So, if you like this and it's not quite this cold where you are, please subscribe. Hit the like button down there. Tell YouTube that, hey, this guy's an idiot being out in this cold weather, messing around with his vegetables. But you know, you got to do what's important, and vegetables are important to me. And I know they are to you too. So thank you for watching. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Gonna go inside and get a little warmed up a little bit. Thank you for watching.